We've established that New Year's resolutions don't work. So what else can you do to ensure that you achieve what you actually want to in your life? A lot of the time we don't achieve what we want because firstly, we don't make it a priority. And secondly, we don't actually sit and think about it and plan it and fit it into our daily life to make it a reality. So when you actually set upon creating a goal, you are visualizing what you want to achieve, taking into account where you are at and where you want to be. And then you look at how are you going to achieve that. You then break that down into smaller pieces because then it becomes a little bit more manageable and less scary. It's things that you can actually work at and achieve. And then you put a date to it, because if you are not putting a date to any of your actions, how do you know you are making progress? How do you know that you've achieved it? So when you put a date to it, it is a reminder to say, hey, I'm on track, or oops, something is holding me back. What is that thing that's holding me back? And when you identify that, then you can work on it to get rid of it. When you achieve what you are working towards, you will find that adrenaline inside of you, because it's a great feeling to achieve what you want to. So if you do not know how to set a goal, contact me and I can show you how to do that. There is a magnificent process that will help you to set upon the goal. And remember, it's not only about the goal, it's what is going on inside your head that is preventing you. Because if it was so easy, you would have achieved your goal a long time ago. So reach out to me if there is really something you want to achieve in your life and you've been struggling to actually get down to making that a reality. And if you have planned it, but you're finding it very difficult to achieve, contact me and let's see how we get you on track.